What is up, guys? In today's video we are going to be working on my dad's Yamaha 660 Raptor. We are going to be putting some spacers in between these A-arms here, because right there, see that? See how much wiggle room it has in there? And not the bottom one so much. I think the bottom one's good, but this is a lot of room here, which is not good. So we're gonna have to do, we're gonna take these bolts out of each side here, and it might be one big bolt all the way through here, but we're gonna take the bolt out and we're gonna put washers on here so it won't have any more room. Over here on the other side, I think it's the same way. Yeah, same way. And then the bottom one's good. So we're just going to have to take this bolt out, put washers in there. So then everything will be good. And I think basically that's all we have to do for this. So let's just get right into it. We're going to jack it up and we're just going to start into it. Okay, guys, so right now we did get this done down here. So what we had to do is we ground it. We used the angle grinder here. We ground off the end of the shaft that goes through here that helps it turn, and that took away its play back and forth. And then we put a washer on each side to take up the space that was the play that was right here. So now what we have to do is we have to do it the exact same thing on this side. So as we showed you already, this play is in here. So we just ground that the rest of that shaft off. Then these caps went on there tight, and then we just put a washer on here and there. So now that it doesn't move anymore, those bearings inside there won't get wore down as much. So we're basically just gonna do that one, and then we'll bring you guys back and we'll show you. So let's do that one, and we'll cut right back to just finishing what we were doing, and then we'll probably close it off. Alright, so we did the exact same thing to this side as we did the other side, but we only needed one washer right here instead of one on each side. But it still is tight again, but I did the exact same thing. I don't know why it decided it only wanted one. It's tight like it should be. It's not sliding back and forth all the time. I checked both bottoms. They are not sliding around. So it is back to how it should be. So that's basically all we got for right now. So this is basically going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Woo!